Hi, Andrew here at Gateway Toyota. I'd like to show you a nice vehicle in our pre-owned department. This is a 2012 Honda Civic. Very popular little sedans. Great on gas. They're just a fantastic little vehicle. This one is an LX model. Let me show you a few features on it. Of course, a beautiful blue color. Very economical. It's got a remote trunk release here. Lots of room in the trunk. All kinds of stuff. Let me show you a few great features on the inside. So this has really quite an interesting interior with a sort of a dual level gauging system. So you've got your speedometer above, almost a 3D type of look, and then you've got your tach below it. Of course, all the power options: power windows, power door locks. It's got power mirrors. You've got Bluetooth on it, steering wheel audio controls, cruise control. You've got the air conditioning. It's got everything. It's really a nicely equipped vehicle. For more information about this vehicle, give us a shout at 780-439-3939 or check us out on our website at gatewaytoyota.ca or come down in person. We're at 2020 103rd A Street Southwest in Edmonton. We can't wait to show you this great vehicle. And for more information about upcoming vehicles, check us out on our YouTube channel at Gateway Toyota in Edmonton. Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. You're going to get up to date with all our latest product. We hope to see you soon. Take care.